I'm excited to share a new liquidation company with you, Boutique by the Box. I'm going to be unboxing my first ever box from this company. I'm going to kind of pop up on the screen since this is new to me. A little bit about this box. So the company is called Boutique by the Box, and the specific mystery box I'm opening today is the sample intro box for women. So this box is $147. However, I believe on everyone's first purchase, your box will only be $100. And a little bit about it, it says most items are new with tag. It gives an example of some brands that you can expect from the box. It does say at the very bottom, it says, please note that since we are a liquidation company, a small percentage of our items may have a flaw. So this does have a 4.9 star rating on the website. I'm really excited to see what came in my box, what you can expect for about $100. So the company was nice enough to send this box to me for review. I will leave a link down below if you want to purchase this box for yourself and see what you get. So without further ado, you guys know I love a good mystery box. I have not broke the seal on this yet, and you guys know that takes a lot out of me not to break the seal, not to open a mystery box as soon as it arrives. But I wanted to kind of give you guys the full experience, especially since I've never tried Boutique by the Box before. So without further ado, let me break the seal. Just broke the seal, so as soon as I open it, it looks like it gives a little bit of information on the box. They do have a Facebook and an Instagram, and like I said, I'm going to leave the link down below in case you decide this is a box you may want to purchase. So here is how my box looks as soon as I opened it. Here's an up close look. So let's just go ahead and bust in and see what we get. Okay, so the first one is L Space, and it looks like it is brand new with tags. And it looks like a pair of really cute crochet shorts that have this mesh, super cute little swimsuit cover up. I kind of want to keep that for myself. I've actually been trying to go to the beach almost every weekend. I do have a Fort Walton Beach vlog coming up very soon, so stay on the lookout for that one. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is by the brand TR Hawaii. This is brand new with tag, and this is a size extra small. It looks like a tube top. It looks like it could be for little girls. It's itty bitty. I'm going to have to look it up. I've never heard of this brand before, but super cute. Love a new with tag. All right, so the next thing I'm seeing here is still wrapped in plastic, so let's go ahead and bust it open. Okay, so this is by the brand Mate, and it has like a waffle knit texture. These are a size small, and they look like wide leg pants with the drawstring. I love the color. Really cute. It has that waffle knit. It looks like it probably would be like a cropped length or ankle length. It does say it is organic, and it says it's clean from seed to skin. Mate the label. Really cute. Those look super comfortable. All right, next item we have in here, it looks like it's a two-piece Frankie's bikinis. Very cute. So this one looks like it is just a little top, strapless top, cute colors, and then it also has these bottoms. These are also new with tags. I love that they're high cut. High cut bathing suits are definitely on trend right now. Definitely got some cheeky action. So this I think should do good. I've never heard of the brand, but super cute bikini. All right, next thing I pick up feels very soft. Oh, it's Good American. I did not realize that Good American would be in here. This is adorable. So this is a dress. There's the tag, Good American, size 0. Very cute. So it's black and it's sleeveless, and then it has this ruching action going down. Very, very cute. This will look adorable on. Very, very cute little dress here. Man, that's going to be hard to sell, but definitely going to list that. Okay, this feels like another swimwear item. Wow. Okay, so this is fancy. I've never found this before, but I'm pretty sure this is super expensive, if I'm not mistaken, and new with tags. Wow. Okay, so this is a size small, and I was saying it was swimwear, but I think it's just super soft. I don't know if this is made of silk, but it is a bodysuit. Has the white part at the bottom. I'm really curious what the material is on this because it just feels so nice. Well, I don't see a material tag, but I am super excited about this bodysuit. All right, we got something tropical looking in here, possibly a cover up. Let's see. Oh, I think this is a jumpsuit. This is by Surf Gypsy. Brand new with tags. I think everything has been brand new with tags so far. Adorable. Absolutely adorable. So it's strapless, has this little ruffle at the top, and then it has the pants going down, and you see these tassels. Does it have a slit? Wait. This is cute. Okay, so yeah, it's a pantsuit, but on both legs, it has like these slits that go all the way up with the tassels. Hopefully I can find a cute stock photo for this. This is adorable. I love this piece. All right, something white and new with tags. This is by CC. MSRP was $129. What are you? This is a dress. Very cute. This is a size 10. It looks like it's a long sleeve dress. And it has this ruffle at the bottom. Very cute. Whenever you're selling any kind of white dresses, there's a bunch of good keywords that you can use. I'll try to like pop a bunch up on the screen. But yeah, there's definitely some keywords you can use to sell white. Very cute. I am super impressed with this box. If you guys have ever purchased a box by Boutique by the Box, let me know in the comments. I'd love to watch another unboxing as well. Okay, last item. This is still new with tags. Wow, okay. So this is Poderous. What is it? How do you, let me see. This is kind of hard to read. Huh. It's kind of hard to read. It looks nice. Let's see. Poderson. Here's this tag here. Definitely something I'm going to have to look up. Fun piece. Wow. Okay, so this is also a jumpsuit. Here's the back. It has this big round zipper, seersucker, pants, wide leg. Y'all, this is super cute. This was a great box. All right, y'all, that was my sample intro box by Boutique by the Box. Thank you again, Boutique by the Box, for sending me this mystery box. This was amazing. Again, if you have purchased this box, please let us know in the comments, how was your box? Because I was really impressed. I'm gonna leave the link down below if you wanna purchase, and remember, your first box is only $100. This is well worth $100. I'm sure some of these pieces, you're gonna make your money back very quickly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I have another mystery box coming out in just a couple days. Stay tuned for that. And I got a good thrift haul behind me, so I'll upload that as well this week. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will see you soon for another mystery box unboxing. Bye, y'all.